Basrang ingredients: tapioca flour, wheat flour, garlic powder, pepper, seasoning, coriander powder, and egg. Break 1 egg. Add garlic powder, pepper, masako, and coriander powder. So that the spices don't taste too much, it's better not to add too much. Stir everything. Make sure there are no lumps. Add 5 spoons of tapioca flour and 3 spoons of wheat flour. Add a little oil. Stir until it becomes a dough. Shape round. Use oil on your hands to make it easy to shape. Cook the water until it boils. Take the mixture, then boil it. Boil until the mixture floats. Take the dough, separate it from the water, drain. Cut the dough into desired shapes. This is the result of the cut. Fry basrang until desired texture. Keep in mind, the longer you fry the basrang, the more it will harden, crispy. This is the result of the basrang. Add dipping sauce to make it more delicious. Good luck and enjoy.